Welcome to the Fredbear's Family Diner Animatronic Disassembly and Cleaning Manual.
First things first. We have to take out his head. Hold his nose down and then push his head down. You should hear a click. Then you can just remove the mask. Now for his arms. Hold down the shoulder pads till you hear a click. Then remove the arm pieces one by one. Now the hard part. We have to remove his chest first. Hold down all 3 buttons. And then pull his bow tie upwards. Now we can remove the torso. The legs are easy. Just slide them off. You can't remove the feet though. Now, to start cleaning we have to